Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix server access failure on WeChat app. And one of the reasons why this is happening to you is because the internet connection. If your internet connection is weak or kind of going on and off, you need to double check on your internet connection. You might as well switch to a 5G, or you have the choice to switch to your cellular data if you have a subscription, of course, right? And that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here and hold the app, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and delete the app, and then just go ahead and delete it. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to your app store or Google Play, sorry, and I'm gonna just go ahead to the WeChat right here, and basically what I'm gonna do, simply just download the app. And basically what that does is, the WeChat will be forced to update its program or its app to the latest version. Secondly, you'll be able to get a fresh start. You can be, you get to be able to, you can log in with your account, and then you're gonna see many features, and probably your problem will be vanished by now, right? If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back, you're gonna just go ahead to the WeChat, and you're gonna just type right here chat, right? WeChat help, right? Help and support, or help center, right? And you're gonna just enter right here the WeChat help center, and basically you're gonna search for your issue, and if you didn't find it, you can just go ahead and click right here contact us, and basically hit the highlighted green word right here. It says click here, click on it, the first one, and you're gonna be able to select the platform. If you're iOS or even Android or something like that, just go ahead and select it, and select the region that you are currently in, and then select the categories, right? And basically you're gonna just go ahead and type your issue, and then type your own WeChat account and email, and then select the method to be contacted by. You can select the email, which is much likely to be so, or you can just use the WeChat and then hit the check mark eventually, and then submit your problem. And if you want to support your your issue with a screenshot, just go ahead and do it, so so they can help you a little bit better fixing your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.